Do you ever feel like your life is on repeat?
We're gonna go back again tomorrow night.
Like you're stuck in the same routine, the same patterns, while your dreams sit on the shelf collecting dust?
Bad dream?
What if I told you there's a way to press reset without moving to a deserted island or faking your own disappearance?
You're stranded on a desert island. What's the one thing that you bring with you?
Silence.
If you've been feeling trapped by your past choices, your environment, or even your own self-doubt, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to uncover how to break free, reinvent yourself, and take back control of your future.
Have you given any thought to your future?
I want you to imagine something. What if 6 months from now, you're looking in the mirror and you didn't recognize the person staring back? Because you'd become the best version of yourself. It's possible. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to make it happen.
Don't worry. It can only get better from here, right?
My name is Stephen Kofer. If it's your first time here, then welcome to the channel. If not, then it's great to see you again. Here's the cold, hard truth. If nothing changes, nothing changes. Feeling stuck takes an incredible emotional toll. For example, feeling discouraged and frustrated like Bill Murray in Groundhog Day, where every day is a repeat of the last. Or watching others succeed while you feel left behind. It can be painful to watch your coworker get promotion after promotion while you're stuck grinding away at the same boring and thankless job. And then there's being weighed down by self-doubt and fear of judgment. Think about rucking around 50 pounds strapped to your back. Probably fun if you're David Goggins, but for most of us, it's exhausting. This is what your life starts to feel like when you're stuck. But here's the thing. You're not a tree. You can move. So why do so many of us stay stuck? Because the pain of staying the same feels safer than the discomfort of change. But here's the twist. It's not. Staying the same is slowly killing your potential.
Long, painful, boring death.
Let's start by defining what reinvention means. Reinvention is not running away. It's stepping into who you were always meant to be. It's about redesigning your habits, mindset, and even relationships. Think of reinvention like upgrading your phone software. You don't throw out the whole device, you just update it so it works better. But where do you even start? Great question, because next, we're breaking down the blueprint.
The complete blueprints.
Today, I'm going to introduce you to the 3-step blueprint to reinvent yourself. And as a mechanical engineer, I love me some blueprints. The first step, cut the dead weight. Remove toxic habits, relationships, and environments. It's hard to climb a mountain when you're carrying a backpack full of bricks. It's time to lighten the load. The second step, rebuild your identity. Define who you want to become. Ask yourself, if I were already the person I wanted to be, what would my daily habits look like? What choices would I make differently? Here's a pro tip. Don't skip to billionaire with a yacht status. Start with someone who actually drinks water instead of energy drinks. The third step, take massive action. Start small, but stay consistent. Small wins build momentum, and momentum builds confidence. And before you know it, you're unstoppable. Okay, you're probably thinking, okay, Steve, this sounds all well and good, but this won't work for me. I have too many obstacles. Well, I disagree. Let's discuss some of the most common obstacles. The first obstacle is fear of failure. Remember, failure is feedback. Every misstep teaches you something valuable. Another common obstacle is judgment from others. Look, people will always have opinions, but their opinions don't pay your bills or build your dreams. But what happens when you're your own biggest obstacle? let's talk about self-doubt. For me, the secret to overcoming self-doubt is remembering to reflect on all the challenges and struggles that I've overcome in the past. Let's face it, reinventing yourself isn't easy, but it's worth it. Remember, you're the author of your story. If you don't like the plot, write a new one.
And 3, 2, 1.
Start building your new suit of armor today. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below with one thing you're going to do to start your reinvention journey. And click here if you'd like to learn how to transform struggles into opportunities, break free from self-doubt, and step into a life of wealth, love, and fulfillment. Life is too short to live on autopilot, so take the wheel, reinvent yourself, and drive straight into the life you deserve.